Okay, so I'm troubleshooting through some issues with multiple balls in here right now. So I've got a bunch of them in there, and there's the little coin thing. So I was having a hard time getting them to come out when I just was twisting this one time around. So as you can see, there goes one, right? And then you might get two. And that's fine. But it was getting stuck to where they didn't want to come out. So let me grab that one. I don't know if I fixed the problem. All right, so then I'm gonna pull it a little bit maybe and push it back in, because I saw some of the other videos where you had to do that to get them to come, like something to come out. Okay, so the hole's at the top. And it is super not working. I'm gonna figure it out. There's the ball. Okay. There we go. So I'll just have the girls do a little bit of wiggling. I mean, come on, they made it out of cardboard. It's not gonna be perfect. Okay, I took everything out that was here and over here, and now it's just this in here again. I cut a little teeny piece of this stuff that fits right here, and that's going to keep this from going any further, because then the ball doesn't get trapped behind here. But this will be able to let it spin and then move the balls around as we pull it in and out so that it doesn't get jammed. All right, I have it done and I'm ready to do my final testing. There's the LOL balls. This lid is shut. This box is really nice to use because it has the little hole right here for the flap. And I will be covering this later, but today it's all about getting the mechanics to work. So you pop your little coin in, bloop, and then down here I labeled it. So this is where I'll have like 2 arrows, you know, so they can match them up. And then you'll twist it, and then you should, ta-da, have a ball mount.